Hi, I'm Brett Hensig, the Youth and Family Programs Educator at the Milwaukee Art Museum. The theme is summertime, and since the weather is gorgeous out today, I'll be working outdoors using sidewalk chalk. If you're going to do your project indoors, you can choose any colorful material that you like. While I go outside and get set up, I'd like you to take a look at the artwork from the Milwaukee Art Museum's collection that inspired me for this project. Let's get to work. What do you see in this painting? You can pause the video if you'd like to spend more time exploring this work of art. The painting is full of bright, sunny colors. It's even named summer, or l'été in French. André Lanskoy painted it in 1954. Abstract art shows ideas more than realistic pictures. This painting may not show a summertime scene, but the colors, lines, and shapes make it feel summery to me. He worked in a style called lyrical abstraction. Lyrical means like a poem or the words to a song. Other abstract artists were making work about world events, technology, and even math. But lyrical abstraction was more about choosing your colors and marks in the moment. With my mind on lyrics and music, I started with black lines. They reminded me of a melody, like a single sound that goes up and down, sometimes quickly, sometimes slowly. Lines are a lot like melodies. I then started grabbing colors. The colors that I chose were in the moment. Sometimes a sound that I heard might have made me think of yellow or orange. Other times a sound may have reminded me of green. What are the types of things you might hear, and what colors might you be inspired to grab in the moment? Sometimes I was coloring faster than I could think, so I went back over my colors, I smeared my colors, and I layered more and more lines and colors on top of one another. By the time I was done, I wasn't quite sure what I created, but I knew that it was a lot of fun to make. Abstract art lets the person looking at it decide what it means to them. What does my artwork remind you of? Share your ideas and your creations with us on social media.